Hey everybody, welcome to Geometry. This is Mr. Mandel. I am going to step you through how to use your angle bisectors in order to create the incenter of a triangle. Okay, so step one is to create a triangle on your trace paper. So you need a piece of trace paper, you need a pencil, and you need some sort of straight edge, a protractor or a ruler, or something that you can draw straight lines with. Okay, then your next step will be to plot some points. So let's plot 3 points so that we can create a triangle. Let's see, you don't want the sides to be the same length, so JK, and then let's say we'll do L over here. Okay, so I've got my 3 points. Now I'm going to create triangle JKL using a ruler and making straight lines. Very important to make straight lines. We are going to make triangle JKL. Okay, so now we have triangle JKL. I need to check and make sure you can see it. So we have triangle JKL. Okay, now we need to find our angle bisectors. Last time we found an angle bisector, and this time we are going to be finding 3 angle bisectors, all right? So we're gonna use the same process. We're gonna fold over each side of each angle, and we're gonna make a crease, and then we're gonna draw a ray along that crease so that you have 3 angle bisectors. Okay, so we're going to draw a ray from point K. Here's angle bisector number 1. We're going to find the angle bisectors for the other 2 sides. Now we're going to draw a ray from angle L. Okay, and then we're going to find the angle bisector of angle J. Remember, the sides of the angle have to lie on top of each other, on top of each other, on top of each other, okay? Because you're splitting them in 2. Remember, the angle bisector bisects the angle, which means it cuts the 2 angles into 2 congruent parts. Okay, and take a look at that. What's really interesting now is that you have each angle bisector has met in the somewhere in the center of the circle. We're going to call that point I. Okay. Now we also want to make sure that we label each angle that is congruent to each other. Okay, so because we bisected this angle JKL, then now we see that JKI is congruent to angle LKI. Okay, we also bisected angle KJL, so now we see that angle KJI is congruent to angle LJI. And then we bisected angle JLK, so we see that angle JLI is congruent to angle KLI. Okay, so now we have 3 sets of congruent angles. All right, so we've got angle, actually I'll let you guys do this, okay? So here we have created something called the incenter of a triangle.